Mind your business. It's fucking simple. Yeah, I know. 1987 called and want their hair back. This was out of my control today. But mind your business nonetheless. Mind your fucking business. I'm so tired of people saying, well, why did you do that? And why did you do this? And you should shut the fuck up. Nobody cares about what you would do. It's my situation. I'll do it the way I see fucking fit. Mind your business. God, why are you eating that? Because I fucking want to. Why are you ugly? Girl, put that fucking shirt back on the rack. That's hard. Listen to me. Are you wearing the fucking shirt? Stay dated in your 1984 gear, okay? Fuck you. I'm trying to move along here and keep up with the times. Except with this hair, though. But it's still relevant for 2025, right? Fuck you. Mind your business, period. Period. Testing. 1, 2, fucking 3. Mind your business. You'll avoid a face punch.